Welcome back to the Ticket Setup series. In this section of the Setup series, we're going to set up Tikit to report inside of Excel through our live data feed. Now, in order to do a live data feed into Excel, leveraging our Excel template, there's just a few prereqs that need to happen prior to actually performing the integration. So this setup series, or this section of the setup series, is going to be two parts. The first part is going to be the prereqs, getting this set up, and the second part is actually doing the integration. So the first prereq is actually creating an access token. So we'll do that as a ticket admin inside of web.tikit.ai. We'll travel over to the settings area and go to access tokens, and then go ahead and create a new token. I'm going to name that token Excel reporting, just so it's a descriptor for me. I'm going to give that an expiration date. And then to do this, I only need agent access. So I'm going to scope this down just to the agent's role. Now this access token will give me the ability to place this token in different parts of the product, whether it's Excel or Power BI or through API integration. And the idea here is that this token is specific to my environment and allows for us to point directly through the API to grab data from your environment. The next dialog you're seeing here is the actual access token. And specifically, you're being told that once you close this dialog, the token is gone. You're not going to be able to see it again. So we recommend you copying it out and then dropping it into a safe place. So I'm just going to drop it into Notepad for the moment. I'll come back to that later. Now, the second prereq I have is to actually download the Excel template and make it available to me to be able to configure and point Tikit to it to be able to do our live data feed. So to get the latest version of our Excel template, what you'll do is you'll go over to help.tikit.ai and you'll go over the articles area. And in there, there's a how-to section. And we have an article on how to import data into Excel. Now, what you'll see here is that there's two versions of this template. There's the service desk version and the ITSM version. The reason for that is because live data feed into Excel reporting is available for both plans. However, ITSM has a little bit of a different data model than the service desk plan. So you'll need to download the ITSM version or the service desk version, depending on the subscription that you're currently on. I'm on the ITSM version, so I'm going to go ahead and download that particular Excel template. Once downloaded, that is now available to me. And I can then launch that to hook up a Tikit to our Excel template and do live data feeds into Excel for reporting purposes. In the next setup video, we're going to go ahead and actually do that second part of the setup, which is actually hooking up Tikit. But for now, we'll go ahead and pause this part of the video. I want to appreciate you taking the time and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.